use this formula to find the angle of the ski jump around your answer to the nearest tenth. Put your finger at the unknown. Is that an angle or a side? How did you know that? It tells you, right? Find the angle, and it's also inside our triangle. Okay? Let's label our sides. So we're basically doing the same thing as we were doing before. Label. Class, what side do I have here? This one is the... And this one over here is called the... Jason. Partner A, whisper to partner B, which trig function are we going to use and why? Which trig function are we going to be using? Omar? Why cosine? We have the adjacent, we have the hypotenuse. The opposite has no variable or number, so we can cross out anything with an O. Cosine is correct. Marisol, tell us an equation we can write. So now we got our trig equation. Can you tell me the sides? Like you're doing the substitution, so do that. What's the step before that? What are the sides of cosine? Correct. Just. So tell us the substitution. Equals. What's your adjacent side? $453. And the hypotenuse? 500. Partner B, tell partner A, what do we do next? Crystal, what do we do next? Question. Should I cross multiply? Crystal. We're going to take the inverse. How do I show the inverse, Crystal? Correct. We're going to have a -1. But how do I show it up here? I need to get x by itself. So you're thinking algebra. Remember, these are together. We're going to circle these two and do what, Crystal? Circle and the arrows. Tell us what to do next, or what to write next, Manol.
Cosine -1 equals... Oh wait, no, cosine -1, and then in parentheses 453 over 500 equals that.
Let's put it into our calculators. if you had a non-graphing calculator or a they call it math type, some calculators you have to type in 453 divided by 500 and then the inverse. Let's see if I did that on my phone. So 453 divided by 500. And then I'll take my calculator sideways. Then it has trig. And then I'm looking for the inverse, which is not these buttons. Second. And then cosine. And you get approximately 25.04. And if you round to the nearest tenth, class, what's the answer? 25.0, because that's the tenth, right? So in this word problem, it was nice and easy as they give us a picture. Do the same thing we've been doing. Label it. It's your trig equation. We have here our calculator ready equation. Calculator ready equation, and then just your rounding.